Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about the most important causes of pale skin and treatment methods. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and support us with admiration for the video. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and I will answer it. Pale skin can be caused by a variety of factors, including anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the body does not have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to the body's tissues. This can cause skin to appear pale, as well as fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Blood loss. Blood loss, either through injury or surgery, can cause the skin to appear pale. Dehydration. Dehydration can cause the skin to appear pale and dry. Vitamin deficiencies. A deficiency in certain vitamins, such as vitamin B12 or folate, can cause anemia and lead to pale skin. Chronic illnesses. Certain chronic illnesses, such as liver or kidney disease, can cause the skin to appear pale. Genetics. Some people naturally have lighter skin, and this can be inherited from one's parents. Sun exposure. A lack of sun exposure can cause the skin to appear pale. Medications. Some medications can cause paleness of the skin as a side effect. Additional causes of pale skin can include cold temperatures. Cold temperatures can cause the blood vessels in the skin to constrict, which can make the skin appear pale. Hormonal changes, such as those that occur during pregnancy or menopause, can cause the skin to appear pale. Cancer treatments. Certain cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy, can cause the skin to appear pale. Skin disorders. Certain skin disorders, such as eczema, psoriasis, and vitiligo, can cause the skin to appear pale. Certain nervous system disorders, such as Raynaud's disease and autonomic neuropathy, can cause the blood vessels in the skin to constrict and make the skin appear pale. Stress. Stress can cause the blood vessels in the skin to constrict and make the skin appear pale. Lack of sleep. A lack of sleep can cause the skin to appear pale and tired. It's important to note that pale skin can also be a symptom of more serious conditions, such as cancer, autoimmune disorders, or blood clotting disorders. It's always recommended to consult a doctor if you have concerns about the paleness of your skin, especially if it is accompanied by other symptoms or if it is persistent. Your doctor may perform some tests or refer you to a specialist for further evaluation. There are several solutions to treat pale skin, depending on the underlying cause. Some solutions include treating anemia. If anemia is the cause of pale skin, treatment may include increasing iron in your diet, taking iron supplements, or receiving a blood transfusion. If blood loss is the cause of pale skin, treatment may include addressing the injury or surgical wound, or taking blood clotting medications. Hydrating. Drinking enough water can help to hydrate the skin and improve its appearance. Taking vitamins. Taking vitamin supplements, such as vitamin B12 or folate, can help to treat pale skin caused by a deficiency in these vitamins. Treating chronic illnesses. If a chronic illness is the cause of pale skin, treatment may include addressing the underlying condition through medication or therapy. Sun exposure. Getting enough sunlight can help to improve the color of the skin. Changing medications. If a medication is causing pale skin as a side effect, your doctor may suggest switching to a different medication. Treating skin disorders. If a skin disorder is the cause of pale skin, treatment may include topical creams or ointments, or light therapy. Treating cold-induced pale skin. To treat pale skin caused by cold temperatures, you can try to keep warm, to avoid cold, or to use a moisturizer to improve blood circulation. Treating stress-induced pale skin. To treat pale skin caused by stress, you can try to manage stress through exercise, meditation, or therapy. Getting enough sleep. To treat pale skin caused by lack of sleep, you can try to get enough sleep, to establish a regular sleep schedule, and to avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Here are some tips to keep your skin fresh and healthy. Cleanse your skin properly. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and makeup, and avoid using hot water, which can strip your skin of its natural oils. Exfoliate. Remove dead skin cells by exfoliating your skin once or twice a week. This can help to keep your skin looking bright and smooth. Moisturize. Keep your skin hydrated by applying a moisturizer to your face and body after bathing or showering. Protect your skin from the sun. Wear sunscreen with a minimum of SPF 30 and wear protective clothing, such as long-sleeved shirts and wide-brimmed hats, when spending time in the sun. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help to keep your skin looking its best. Limit your alcohol and caffeine intake. Consuming too much alcohol and caffeine can dehydrate your skin and make it appear dull and tired. Manage stress. Stress can cause skin problems such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. You can try managing stress through exercise, meditation, or therapy. Don't smoke. Smoking can prematurely age the skin and make it appear dull and dehydrated. See a dermatologist. If you have skin concerns or issues, it's important to see a dermatologist for a professional assessment and treatment. Here are some additional tips to keep your skin fresh and healthy. Use gentle products. Avoid harsh or abrasive skincare products, as they can damage and irritate the skin. Look for products that are specifically formulated for your skin type. Keep your skin hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Use a humidifier. Dry indoor air can dehydrate the skin. Using a humidifier can add moisture to the air and help to keep your skin hydrated. Keep your hands clean. Wash your hands frequently to remove dirt and bacteria, which can cause acne and other skin problems. Use makeup sparingly. Avoid using heavy makeup, as it can clog pores and lead to skin issues such as acne. Remove makeup before sleeping. Make sure to remove all makeup before going to bed to prevent clogging of pores and breakouts. Take warm showers. Hot showers can dry out the skin. Instead, take warm showers to keep your skin hydrated. Use a toner. A toner can help to remove excess dirt and oil, and also restore the skin's natural pH balance. Incorporate antioxidants in your diet. Eating foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Practice good hygiene. Keep your skin clean, shower or bathe regularly, and change your bed linens and towels often to prevent buildup of bacteria and oils on the skin.